What up? Robman 9, Blizzard 2011. Check out the drift at the front door. I'm standing in over about 1.5 feet snow. You can see the drift. It's about 2.5 feet there. Just walking through that. Try to go on the street. You can see there's my garbage adrift around it. See a car right there, a huge drift around it. Huge drift over there. Can't really, you can kind of see it's forming. Anyway, nobody out except for the Robman. Make a little trek. What up? What up, winter attire? What up? The Joker hat on in your face. Got the boots on, dual pants, hooded sweatshirt, long sleeve shirt underneath. Goes garbage again. Boom, done. Boom, done. No garbage tomorrow. I'm gonna go check the main street, see what's else going on here. This is fucking stupid. It's harder than shit to walk in this fucking. God, I'm on a road, and it's freaking ridiculous, man. This is the worst it's been in a long time. Probably got over 1 foot, at least. Especially with the drifting, it's just big winds. See the drift right up there on the side of the building. Oh, here comes a car. Get the fuck out of the way. Wow, I'm actually SUV plowing through there. There he goes. Look at that. Jesus, I'd get stuck in a heartbeat. My Honda. Look at that shit. Hell no. Wow. Well, thanks for him going by. I'm gonna walk in the track, make it a little easier. I'll check in a little bit later. There's the car wash. Sick, drifts everywhere. Nobody getting their car washed in your face. Later.